Oh, it's actually the first like I stand up over here and look on the TV over there, son.
You're looking at yourself, though?
Yeah, I see myself on
yeah,
TV.
Yeah, big up yourself. God, swag, you know.
Welcome to Daytime Live, everybody. It's Tuesday. I know, we're like the second day in the week, but we still come with some vibe. You can't settle on.
Which one? Where's the while ago?
I said it's Tuesday.
You look at my shirt. So your shirt says?
Me go to. Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, as me that say, a Tuesday. And I know you guys are.
Did you say Tuesday is the second day of the week?
Isn't it the second day of the week?
Start
Monday, Tuesday. No, Monday we'll start with Monday, Tuesday. A Sunday start the week? Oh. Oh, wow. And okay. All right, so welcome to Daytime Live. That's the whole point.
You're having a Tuesday. A ragging moment coming right there.
Yes.
You couldn't wait to get it.
No. And remember, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live, and on Facebook. No, but I swear to say it's Tuesday and Monday start the week for real, I never learned nothing at school. Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live.
All right. Joey, look out for this. Just continue.
And if you want to be a part of our studio audience, log on to TVJJamaica.com and get listed, or just come on by. And remember, you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com. Or you can also go on YouTube and search Daytime Live. Don't forget, come on, man. I don't mean what. See, it's not me. See, Judith agrees with me that the week start Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
I heard that one fool makes many. Use a whole crowd. You alone. Anyway.
All right.
Buzzing time. On Friday, we reported that Hollywood director, producer, and screenwriter John Singleton, he was in a coma after suffering a major stroke. Now today, we are very sad to report that he was taken off life support and has passed. Now Singleton, who broke out with Oscar-nominated Boys in the Hood. You should know that movie. One of the best black movies ever made. Which earlier mentioned for both director and screenplay, has also helmed Shaft, Too Fast, Too Furious, Four Brothers, the music video for Michael Jackson's Remember That. Do you remember? Yeah,
don't try.
Yeah, you don't know it?
We know it, but don't try singing.
Big up yourself. Episodes of Empire, Billions, 30 for 30, and American Crime Story. This is just some of the projects that he has worked on. Now, FX has renewed Snowfall for another season, which has started filming this month.
Yeah, man, this is a
bunch of
it is a tragic story, and the fact that he was literally the youngest, one of the youngest persons to ever be nominated for Oscar at the time when it happened, not just 24, fresh out of college. You have so many persons who the tributes are coming in from like Taraji, Regina King, all those people. Janet Jackson said via her Instagram that you gave me my first movie role, my first Oscar nomination, and so much more. Thank you for all you have given to the world through your work and all you have done for black culture, women, and young filmmakers. I will miss you, John, keeping your family in prayers. Janet Jackson mentioned that.
Yeah. Quincy Jones also added his condolences. He posted on Twitter, "R.I.P. to my dear brother, John Singleton, gone far, far too soon. Your storytelling and contributions to our culture will endure forever."
Yeah, man. I have a rapper turned actor Ice Cube, who made his own acting debut in Singleton's first film, said that he loved to bring the black experience to the world.
Like, he gave a lot of
yeah, man.
I won't say actors, but as black persons,
young
roles.
Black people.
Yeah, because Taraji, I follow Taraji on Instagram. Like, she posted a lot of pictures of him. She said without him, she wouldn't have her star. On the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Right.
So quite a big
Baby Boy with Tyrese and Snoop Dogg.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of, like, he brought black culture to the fore, and you could watch it on a movie. So I mean, big up yourself,
Yeah, man, and it's really good when in death you have all this coming in to show the level of respect that people have for you, and how much great work you did.
Yeah.
From you started out in the industry straight until.
I mean, a friend of mine before she passed said, don't mourn my death, celebrate my life. And there's so much things that he did in life for us to celebrate for generations to come.
All right, so let us switch over to a little lighter note. That's how we do it here. Not so light, because if you are into Game of Thrones, listen. I'm sorry, guys. If you don't watch, then you're watching Daytime Live right now. The spoilers, let's try and
All right, we'll give you a chance. If you haven't watched the third episode just yet, just like mute your TV for like 3 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah.
So you won't. So you'll know when you go to a different topic. Like I'll do this, so you know it's a different topic.
All right.
So if you don't know, mute. No.
No. All right. Good.
For the persons who are watching.
Guys, what is going on? What is going on?
No.
First of all,
Area General.
hands down.
Area a General.
First of all,
Area a mine.
Area everybody.
No, not everybody.
So, first of all, guys,
Aria.
no, you know, we only have 6 episodes in this thing left, and we're at episode 3, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of persons, yes, we're expecting the war to come with the night walkers and all of that, but we never expect it to go
I mean,
so.
expect no people for dead.
Me don't expect no people for that too, because that's so
Like, no, I mean like important characters. I expected them to die.
Yeah, like me that probably expect
Like,
Brian for dead.
Like, who's one person we thought would have?
Grey Worm. But Grey Worm dead?
Look how long they cut him
Grey Worm
short.
dead, yeah. That's true.
Grey Worm, no, not
Theon.
Grey Worm. You mean, oh yeah, no, he's not dead.
He's not dead. No,
They
he's
need
not
off,
dead.
no,
he's
Dan
not dead.
Solid. Need off Dan Solid.
Theon dead. Lady
No, wait, no,
Mormont.
man. Stop.
Lady
Don't-
Mormont.
You don't know if Theon is dead.
Theon dead, man.
No,
because
you
they
don't
go
know.
to
You don't know.
Duffy, Theon
Go
dead.
back and watch the episode.
All right, enough controversy this now, because
Yeah.
all I want to talk about is the highlights of the show. We thought we were about to lose the best thing that ever happened to Game of Thrones Arya, when Mr. Arya jump off of the Night King, you know, and the man catch her. Mr.
In our
Oh
neck,
Lord.
like, the next episode, she have to have a neck brace. You can't tell me nothing. The man catch her by her neck, you know, sir. Man catch her, come here.
I didn't have half the people are like,
But seriously though, Game of Thrones, I don't take the Dothraki warriors for some idiot dog. The man must ride out to the wall and ride out.
and not only that,
Everybody dead.
everybody dead, and then the man up back, everybody went dead, and we were like, all right, then how everybody come back.
Mama tell you, a
Crazy man.
sample. You know, see the dog.
No, I never see the dog. I never see the dog.
Yeah, the dog run out with them. And when them sister about the first 4 dead, ghost a stun back and say, here we go on. You know, so the pound no wood still. Our dog keeps sound board.
All right, we're not gonna let any more cat out of the bag, but Sunday
which cat
nights
out of the bag?
definitely.
No, man, next week
definitely.
Sunday
Yeah,
a
man,
problem,
next
man.
week, and then seriously. Anyway,
Sir,
we're gonna talk about that.
You know
all
that,
along.
like next week Sunday 8 o'clock, there's gonna be like a lull.
Yeah, man.
Everybody there will.
Yeah, man. Everybody there warm. Everybody there warm.
There be no people go other people yard go watch it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
them setters, you know.
and viewing
Them setters.
parties. Viewing parties, all of that.
Them setters.
All right, people. So Rihanna was home in Barbados, and she was home to see Buju Banton.
Buju.
And you know, she's supposedly working on a reggae album. How cool would it be for them to do a track together? But you know what was the highlight of that? If you watch her story, she was singing Toast by our very own Coffee. So
What about
people are like, yo, you know, Coffee must depend on the album there. So, you know, interesting to see.
So any song
And
you sing?
with a Coffee?
Any song you see Rihanna singing?
So she probably make know it's harder than a little Buju there and a little
You might
Coffee
just
there.
sing all the thing.
But do what?
You know, say the thing tough.
All right, yeah.
Oh, you don't know that,
So, no.
that song there?
So, funny thing is, my friend who is a photographer was the one, you know, he released some photos and stuff, and, you know, Vogue and everybody I shared them, not really tagging, but, you know, I was very happy to see my own friend, Kyle Bob, my own friend from Barbados, you know, his
Kyle
photo.
Bob.
Bob. B-A-B-B.
Kyle Bob. Is your friend?
Yeah, man.
Like Bob Marley?
No, Bob.
Bob Marley.
So, you know, it was very cool to see that. But, you know, we love when we hear about Rihanna. We love talking about Rihanna. Rihanna is in an island, and, you know, the photo with her and,
Like
her and Buju.
Rihanna sometimes some
Really
pictures
cool.
that she just look all right, and then sometimes she just look like that.
No, Rihanna does never ever look all right.
No,
Don't let
man,
the Navy come.
sometimes-
Don't let the Navy come and get you.
No man, sometimes she.
Rihanna looks good every day, all
No man,
day.
sometimes she looks super hotter.
She looks super hot all the time.
Anyway,
All right.
Portmore United are the Red Stripe Premier League champions for the 2nd time in a row. Last night at the National Stadium, they played against Waterhouse, but it was marred by a couple of alarming stoppages. And it's 12 minutes at the time you follow football, no? Big up yourself. No, Ricardo Morris had separated the teams in the 51st minute with a picture for goal that should have been the highlight of the game until almost the end.
When I mix
Up in communication between a referee and her assistant angered the crowd. And thus.
And you know,
But
like when Jamaican
listen, I don't believe it's the referee's fault. The referee can make some bad decisions, but at the end of the day, you lost 1-0. You could have played better, and both teams spent too much time trying to argue the referee and arguing amongst each other and arguing and fighting the next team because a big fight broke out.
No man, that is when we find out about the match because
is-
you know,
it's-
not
it's-
an avid
it's
football fan, I
rubbish.
don't really know what going
You
on. But you know,
compete.
up on Twitter, and I saw
You
something. I
compete.
saw Waterhouse trending. I mean, I saw Waterhouse are trending. which Waterhouse is? Jamaica?
Waterhouse trending?
Yeah, man, on Twitter. And then I look, first thing I see some video with some fighting.
Like Waterhouse have a whole Instagram page, you know what I'm saying?
No, man, them
the
on Twitter.
too?
Yeah. Oh, okay. And you see the fighting with it, you know, the two guys, them have like some big thump, and then the people them at show. My sister said she went to the match. But she was like, you know, she saw people throwing bottles on the field and all of that.
So she threw a bottle too?
No, she never. Apparently, she came in and she was proud that she was at the grandstand. So I was like, okay.
Did she pick up the bottles?
No.
So she was not the problem, not the solution?
No, she just did her watch. But it's just unfortunate though. Yeah, but it's unfortunate though that...
Did she tell everybody stop?
She not the time for them back to Anyway, guys, but just to say, you know, it's very, you can't, like, we're supposed to reach a stage as, you know, as Jamaicans where certain things, you know, the national stadium, we're supposed to just behave yourself when you go in there.
Listen.
You know what I mean? Very unfortunate though, and it took away from the festivity of the match.
Nice stuff.
Come on, guys.
Go on better.
Yeah,
and
man,
that's why sometimes certain persons in our society will have things to say about other members of society just because one can be.
Anyway. Daytime shout out. Let me just do a quick update, guys. Community health fair taking place at Kingston College on Saturday 9 to 3. Free blood sugar test, everybody free. So go down there at 9 o'clock and get your checkup. HIV test, eye test, teeth cleaning. We need to go down there. Yeah, man, teeth cleaning.
Anyway, Daniel Richards says shout out to the Daytime Live crew, and Latoya Wolf says shout out to the Daytime Live crew and to herself, Latoya Wolf.
Okay.
As she celebrates 1 year at the #1 travel agent, Cardon Travel Limited.
Daytime shout out coming in from Euphemia Nelson. Shout out to the crew, Daytime Live, and my kids, Chev, Shavana, Elfan, Hannah, and Alexia. Up, family, and the entire Allied Security Discovery Bay. And of course, we own a. Remember the video we showed last week?
Yes,
with Nikisha was security friend. She want to big up everybody, but she's here with us in studio. But she want to big up everybody. Of course, she want to big up the hospital. Yes, she want to big up everybody. Hospital people. Yeah, man, we're not here, yo. We're here. We're here.
Hey, no matter different. She said, mechanics and the staff of where?
You see hospital.
You see hospital. You know, say, hold on a little bit. You see hospital.
I long to hear the word.
Anyway, we're going to be back with more chat and just a whole bag of things right after this Daytime Live continues. Middle to